Millions of years ago, a few meteors crashed on Earth and ended the reign of the dinosaurs. But what if they missed Earth? What if dinosaurs were alive today? This is an intriguing question that has captivated the imagination of many for decades. The idea of encountering these ancient creatures in our modern world is both exciting and terrifying. In this video, we'll explore the possible consequences of such an event and what it would mean for our planet and the organisms that currently inhabit it. First and foremost, it's important to remember that the dinosaurs lived during the Mesozoic era, which ended around 66 million years ago. This means that they lived in a very different climate and environment than the one we know today. It's uncertain if they would be able to adapt to the current world and survive, but for the sake of this discussion, let's assume that they could. One of the most striking differences would be the sheer size of these creatures. According to scientists, the largest dinosaur, the Argentinosaurus, was estimated to be around 100 feet long and weigh around 100 tons. Can you imagine encountering one of these behemoths in the wild? The sheer size and weight of these animals would make them formidable predators, capable of taking down even the largest of modern animals. This would have a significant impact on the planet and the organisms that currently inhabit it. Dinosaurs, especially the larger species, would require a vast amount of resources to sustain themselves and would likely outcompete and displace many of the animals we know today. This would lead to a major shift in the balance of nature, with many species becoming extinct as a result. The dinosaurs' impact on the environment would also be significant. They were much larger than most modern animals and would require vast amounts of resources to sustain themselves. This could lead to deforestation and desertification as they consumed vast amounts of vegetation, and their waste would also have a major impact on the environment. Another difference would be the lack of human civilization. The dinosaurs lived during the Mesozoic era, long before humans evolved. It's hard to say how they would interact with our modern cities and technology, but it's safe to say it wouldn't be pretty. The size and power of these creatures would make them a formidable threat to human civilization, and it's uncertain how we would be able to defend ourselves against them. It's also worth considering how the dinosaurs' presence would affect our current ecosystem. Many of the plants and animals that we rely on for food and medicine would likely be outcompeted by the dinosaurs, leading to a major shift in the balance of nature. This could have a significant impact on our ability to feed and care for ourselves, as well as our ability to find new medicines and treatments. In conclusion, while it's fun to imagine what it would be like if dinosaurs were alive today, it's important to remember that they were a product of a very different time, and their presence would have a profound and likely negative impact on our world. The dinosaurs were incredibly successful in their time, but in the modern world, their size and resource needs would prove to be a major challenge and could lead to the extinction of many species and a dramatic shift in the balance of nature. Thank you for watching our video on what would happen if dinosaurs were alive today. We hope you found it informative and thought-provoking. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more interesting content.